The traditional ruler of Enugwu, Ukwu, has expressed his committee's willingness to partner the state government and other neighboring communities to empower the youth as a way of curbing youth restiveness. The monarch stated this at the graduation ceremony of 150 youths from the community trained in various skill areas as a way of empowering them to become self-reliant. It was a moment of ecstasy for the 150 young men and women as they ended their 10-day training under the Capacity Development and Skills Empowerment Initiative CDSEI, a Lagos-based skill acquisition center and sponsored by a young philanthropist and Enugwu indigene, Mr. Nonso Koye. The youths were trained in different skills including catering, cosmetology, beads and wireworks. Others are baking, hairstyling, fashion designing, production of household confectionaries, phone and laptop repairs, as well as how to run and manage businesses. They were also empowered with startup kits, all at no cost. Igwe, who could not hide his joy for the initiative, said with the empowerment, the community has done a major blow to youth restiveness and proliferation of cultism in communities, as this will help create more direct and indirect job opportunities, and noted that the gesture is in line with the state government's efforts of creating jobs for young people. He called on the graduates to form cooperative associations to access more credit facilities being provided, grow their businesses, and reach more young people within and outside the community.
Been splendid, wonderful. This is in tune with what the government is talking about, youth empowerment. This is a practical demonstration of how this could be empowered. It's not a question of giving money, it's a question of making people get attracted to a particular item of experience. And this is what has been exhibited here. People who can repair watches, who can repair laptops, who can repair phones and all that. Those who can cook better, make better. Those who can make dresses. Those who can make these beads that we do here. This is typified by what we have seen today. And I'm not hesitating to recommend this direction of empowerment to the government of Anambra State.
The President General of the community, Comrade Bonnie Ozonkwaku, described the initiative as a laudable way of creating wealth, as the over 100 people trained have been taken out of the labor market and thus will begin to make their own contributions to the well-being of the society and especially Enugwu community, while calling on other affluent individuals to use their wealth and affluence to create more job opportunities for the young people.
Try to encourage our people, to involve themselves in charity and philanthropy. And by calling on other philanthropists in our town, some of them are trying anyway, to emulate the footsteps of this young man. Look at about 150 persons have been empowered today, and that is reduction in number of those seeking for job. Not just empowering them, some of them that are trained in different skills will also have people that work under them. So they have been trained, they will train others. Not only train others, they will have people working under them that they will pay.
The sponsor of the project, Mr. Okoye, who stated that he was motivated to attract the initiative to his community as a way to help his people out of poverty, urged the beneficiaries not to take the opportunity for granted, announcing that their progress will be monitored bi-monthly and more incentives given to help them sustain their growth.
Encouragement in 2 months to come, I'm going to for review. I feel okay now. We'll be encouraged to say, okay, up to a man at 150, we'll go to 300. But you people will have to help us. Now, I'm an outstanding student. That I get one reward for outstanding student. And we've agreed that 2 months from now, 1 month or 2 months from now, like I'll be for a review. If people that have taken steps from Ebarapoha with these startup tools. After then, we'll be able to encourage such people to do more.
The principal of CDSEI, Mr. Olatunji Odewume, and some of the benefiting youths, Ms. Choma Nkwezwe and Mr. Chukwudekwu, praised the efforts of the community and the sponsor of the project for giving the youths opportunity to become financially independent and through this way engage them in meaningful ventures. Exhibition and inspection of the products by the guests formed the climax of the graduation ceremony. From Enugwu, Njikoka Council area, this is David Obokwase reporting for CBS News.